ask for more than I can bear. Footsteps on the pavement, steady, but I'm aware. The morning light tries to kiss away the fear. I tell myself I'm enough, I'm still here. I'm not impatient, I just want to survive, one breath at a time. I'm learning to stay alive. If courage is a flame, I'll cradle it with care. Surviving isn't small when hope is everywhere.
When the night feels heavy and the doubt won't fade, I reach for the quiet promises I've made. The road may bend, the horizon may hide, but I'll keep walking with the truth as my guide.
The city hums a schedule I didn't write, yet I find my rhythm in the ache of the night. Small miracles in the mundane, bright and true. A stubborn heartbeat saying I'll get through. I'm not ambitious, I just want to survive.
One more dawn, one more chance to try. If fear is a shadow, I'll learn to dance in the light. Surviving with dignity, I'm winning the fight.
We carry stories of resilience on our sleeves, each scar a compass pointing where we'll achieve. The chorus of the brave begins within the chest. I am more than the load I've learned to rest.
A quiet resilience grows in patience and grace. I trade perfection for a kinder face. The noise around me softens when I breathe, and in that breath I find the belief I need.
I'm not ambitious,
I just want to survive, but thriving is a choice we make with every stride. I'll gather all the fragments until they're alive. Surviving becomes a path to true revival.
if the world around us trembles and hope feels thin, remember every dawn begins from within. Stand tall with the chorus of the steady and kind. The strength you seek was always inside.
The journey ends, but I'm not alone. People beside me turning wounds into stone. We lift each other when the night gets long, and find a single truth we all belong.
I'm not ambitious, I just want to survive, one heartbeat closer to the light. I can revive. If I fall, I rise with every breath I've given. Surviving, thriving in a world that's simply written.
The chorus swells like a tide on a hopeful shore. We're parts of something larger than we're told. Let the rhythm carry dreams that never die. We're alive, we're here, and we're not done rising high.
I'm not ambitious, I just want to survive. And in surviving, I learn to truly come alive. With every chorus with every rising tone. Surviving becomes the seed of a brighter home.